Today we're making egg rolls, which is one of the most popular food served at American Chinese restaurant. Hope you enjoy this video. To start, we're going to make the stuffings for the egg rolls. You can totally get creative about this, but the basic ingredients are ground meat, cabbage, glass noodles, carrot, mushrooms, and once we add in the seasonings and sauce we have listed here, simply mix it all together until it's fully combined, like that. In the meantime, we're going to make this super glue with flour and water. You will see. Remove egg roll skin from the package, lay it flat on a chopping board, add in the stuffings towards the end of the wrapper. Make sure you fold both sides towards the center before we dab in some super glue we just made. Alright, and then finally we just roll it over until it's fully sealed. Looks quite easy and cute, right? Test the oil temperature with a chopstick and then throw in the egg rolls to deep fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. There you have it. They are crispy outside and soft, delicious inside. My full recipe is in the bio link. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more recipes.